OIG compliance can be confusing, but Streamline Verify has made it easier for you to understand with these comprehensive 10 Commandments of Compliance. You shall have written policies and procedures. Policies and procedures should be relevant, comprehensive, practical, and properly disseminated by a compliance committee capable of consistent audit. You shall have a designated compliance officer and compliance committee. The compliance committee should uphold consistent documentation, awareness, proper billing, proactive and corrective action, quality of care, and culture of integrity in the organization. You shall enforce effective training and education. Training and education should cover the organization's compliance program, information on specific compliance laws and regulation, and the consequences of non-compliance. You shall enforce effective lines of communication. Effective lines of communication mean existent and applied communication policies and publicized and size-appropriate reporting mechanisms. You shall enforce internal monitoring and auditing. A compliance auditing and monitoring plan should be consistently followed by an audit staff independent from the areas of the organization that they are auditing. You shall enforce standards through well-publicized disciplinary guidelines. Publicized disciplinary policies and procedures must set forth the sponsor's expectations for compliance issue reporting and resolution. You shall enforce prompt response to detected problems through corrective actions. Organizations must adequately screen employees and business partners before initiating a relationship to ensure that they have not been excluded by the OIG, and must enforce quick corrective action against violators of compliance rules. You shall have compliance metrics reviewed by appropriate auditors. A process for investigating reports of suspected non-compliance must be adequately laid out. You shall foster compliance leadership as part of executive performance reviews. Compliance leadership is fostered through motivation, education plan and procedures, communication, validation, documentation, and coordination. You shall ensure prompt, balanced, and effective decisions regarding compliance activities through involvement of compliance committee. Designated compliance officer and compliance committee should have direct and unfiltered access to report to the CEO or other pertinent senior management.